So here is your explanation for assignment 11.1. I am going to break up this assignment for you. So there are 6 parts to it. Everybody has 2 weeks to do it, but what I'm doing for you is I am going to give you the first assignment this week, have it due in a week, and then have the second part of the assignment due start next week, and then that way it's less overwhelming for you. And you're able to focus on what you need to do for the assignment. Okay, so what the purpose of this assignment is I want you to learn how to revise and edit. Most people don't understand the difference between the two. Revising is when you're fixing content issues that need clarification or polish, while editing deals with those grammatical errors and formatting issues that need to be corrected. Um, Anyone can benefit from this, and I want you to benefit from this as well. I want you to know that I expect you to do this over several days. So take one part each day this week and complete that. Okay, do not try to complete this all in one sitting because it is a lot of work and I want you to take the time to do it. We're learning as we're doing through this assignment. So there are lessons within the assignment that I want you to read. So make sure that you read through each slide and answer the questions when they come and watch the videos because I explain each part of the assignment as you go through the slides. So you'll work on organization and structure, and I have an explanation video on the next slide and then an example. And then on slides 6 and 7, that's where you're going to complete some work. And you'll know that you're completing your work because I'll have your turn and you'll do some practice with revising and editing. Okay? And then you'll work on how to really properly incorporate your quotes within a paper. So I have an example of what this looks like with a well-incorporated text, and then you have your video explanation here on how to do this. And then again, here's your turn. Here's the slide that needs the revision, and here's what you needed, and this is where you would write out that revised paragraph. And finally, part 3 of 6, you're going to revise for formal diction. Many writers, when they're writing with they're writing their papers, they use informal pronouns such as I, me, we, and you, and I don't want you to do that. That is not what you should be doing when you're writing a formal essay. So what I give you here is I give you a couple examples on how you change from that informal to that formal writing, and then I also give you a video explanation here. So make sure you're watching those videos and taking the time to do that. And then you will you would fill out this chart here. Before you turn it in, make sure you have completed slides 6, 7, 12, and 15, checked for grammatical errors, and that you've answered all of your questions. If you've done that, then you go ahead and submit your work. This is due on Monday, November 5th. So you have a full week and your weekend to get this completed. And then on Monday, I'll assign you part 2. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you.